Hello everyone, this is Timothy. Okay, Carol, I the talk. All right. Today at the talk Pakriyo, I want for let me salon people them understand on how they get able for create things by themselves. All right. Many people then they see a lot of things where white man then they do in terms of for create website, for develop website, or develop an app, or create a software. A lot of people they take and say na big something. My brother, my sister, now where you no get access to them, now where you no get somebody where they teach you. So today we go do them step by step. So you get to follow us, like, share this video so that you go to work with you. My brother, let me tell you, that white man them where you see where them they make motoka, not to two head they get. Now one grey head do, but the only thing we different between money man and poor man, now idea no more. And idea no more now the only thing way different from money man with poor man. So now the same thing, white man no get two head. Now the same head way they get, now black man get. So therefore, now the only thing we make, but people not able for make, but thing way the system people that they do them, you not able for do them. Now because you lack waiting the idea on how to do that particular thing. So today, follow me so that I will show you how to do all of them things in a day. You go over internet, you search for Laragon, you download them. When you don't download them, you don't install them. Now this you will see. You just go to start. When you start them, so what thing they happen? This now a local server. We call them local server. Now here all the websites where they develop. Now here they get the file. Now here they get the SQL and the database. All here now here we create them. So today I want to show you how to create a database. When SQL we get for use for start the work. Where you start, you dey go here, you click on database, you open. Now if you watch now here, this now all the database them. This now all the database them where I be done create. Now all the database them where I be done create. So what thing you go do if you want to create another database? Now you dey right click now here. You go to create new, create database. You put the name where you want for put. Let's say for example we go use tutorial. Okay, we click OK. Now we don't create a database where in name now tutorial. Look at now here. So what thing we for do for begin for create with table. We right click now here. We say create new. We don't create database. So now inside the database we just click on create table. Now we need to give the table name. For example, we say users. Left this comment. You can now here. You click on add. You say ID. Every table they get ID. This data type if will be integer, int. You remove this one. You go now here. Wait, now I remove this one. You go now here, you select auto increment, you click OK. Then the length now 11. When you done, you click another add. Now inside users, we won't forget the email address of that person, the phone number, the name of that person, and the username and password. So first of all, we say username. Username now voucher this. Then we use 255 and this is put them here. Alright. Then we click another one. Now you see as soon as we click now it will pick them up. What will be done put. So username we say password. We come again we say email. We come again, we say phone, then we come again, we say photo, because we want to see the photo of the person where they log in the system where they create. Waiting for do, you just say save. Now waiting this they try for tell you, you say incorrect table definition, there can be only one auto increment column and it must be defined as a key. So now we not be able to save this because there is an error. The error wey dey tell me say this we for make am an auto increment, we don't make am, then e say we for make am let the system know say na a key. Alright, so we dey right click na here, you go to create new index, you select primary key, you select am, then we say save. Automatically e don save. Now we don create wetin, we don create database, we don create table. So if you want to create another table inside this database, remember we create a database wey na tutorial. Alright, then we create a table wey na users. Let me create another one. Now we can right click inside here, we say create again table. Now let me create the one for business, because we will get a lot of business people then we want for also enjoy this. So we say this one, let it be inventory. Alright, this is inventory. So remember we put ID for the integer, we come here, remove this one, put it to auto increment, and make sure say this is 11. And what we need for do, we need for make sure say here is primary key. Then we add another one, we call it item name. Alright, add another one. This supposed to be voucher. This for the voucher. Alright, okay, and let's make it 255. Alright, no default value. This one the same, 255, and send it to voucher. Send it to voucher. Alright, no default value. Alright, so what's not the name of this one? Item. We need for know the name of the product where they add. We need for know quantity. Alright. This is quantity. Alright, so add another one. Unit price. Alright, unit cost. Let's say unit cost. Then we'll come here again and say we'll say total cost. Alright, okay, so we need for also add the date created, the day when they create them, date updated. Alright, user ID. Alright, so that this will pick from the users. Alright, so and this supposed to be integer. This will be integer. Alright, so integer will be 11, and we will also use no default. Now we need to also make sure we change this not from primary, not to primary. It will be waiting is a key. Alright, for tell I'm saying this now a key if for connect to this now a foreign key this. Alright, so this is the way for let we create a database and also create a table. So now we create a database when a tutorial, we create inventory when at the table, we also create users. So for now we are going to cut this video this way so that we will continue in the next video. So continue to follow us, share this video and like this video, alright, so that other people then go before they see this video. Alright, recommend this video to other people so that you go able to help them for understand then thing the day where you feel say it very difficult. Alright, so thank you very much and I hope you will like this video.